Hi, hello. Join me as a CCAsian student together with my friend Jimmy. Hello.
At this moment, we are in the lobby waiting for our first subject because we came early, so we were just waiting for a moment. So after waiting, it takes 10 minutes waiting for our first subject, and now we're gonna having our first subject, which is the assessment learning 2, and we're waiting for Sir Romeo Rosales, and we're having fun with my classmates.
So my first period is already done, and we don't have a professor to our second period. So I'm going to ask some CCAsian student to how they avoid bacteria and viruses here in our campus. So let's go. Excuse me, busy kaya? Mga 1 minute lang. Sige. Nalang ko yung question niya. Ay, ito. Buplaster ko. Okay. So, I have one question lang. So, it is very easy. Pero answer niyo. So, as a CCAsian student, how can you avoid getting a virus or bacteria here in our school?
So ito yung question?
Bacteria or viruses?
Apply sa face mask or alcohol like that.
That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Excuse me. Nagdali mo or busy mo?
Naomi class.
Ay, Naomi class. Sige, thank you. Adili. Naomi klase. Excuse me. Busy mo? Or nagdali? Pwede mo, mga 1 minute lang, makonsume sa inyong time. Question lang siya, pero easy lang good siya. Okay lang.
Ikaw.
Sige.
Ikaw, hindi kitang doon.
Kamunduha. Share lang mo thoughts. Sige, dali. Wait lang. So, ang akong question is...
Sige na. Hindi kitang doon.
Kamunduha.
Okay na siya lang po. Lupunta ka.
Kailan kamunduha? Di, sa'yo naman siya, don't worry. So, ang akong question is, as a CCAsian student, how can you avoid or prevent getting bacteria or virus here in our school?
Siguro, like, every kanang marag monthly, no? Monthly or every week na mag-clean ta, especially sa itong CR, kay gabi kayo ang baho, tapos daghan kay mga something na dili makuan. So, suggest na ko is kanang pwede every week or every 2 weeks is like kanang cleaning kayo na may tabo para safe ta, layo na sa
Thank you. Pag-hi.
Yes, it is right. Washing our hand is very important because one of the viruses that we can get is the most E. coli. Are the harmless or some types of E. coli can cause illness and be spread through contaminated food or water or through contact with animals or people. It is important to wash your hand after using bathroom. And as CCAsian student, we have privilege to wash our hands because we have an area to wash our hands.
Pwede makidisturb sa imong time. Dili ba yan pwede? Sure ba? Wait lang, mga 1 minute lang good siya. So, ako yung question, sir. As a CCAsian student, how can you prevent or avoid virus or bacteria here in our school?
Virus and
bacteria.
Well, once and foremost, the implementation of hygiene first. Hygiene first with every individual or every student in the CCSA. At the same time, always implement the what else? What do we need to implement? I think we need to implement the cleanliness as well, segregation as well, and what else? So I think that's it. It's more on safety. It's more on segregation. It's more on cleanliness. So that's, I think that way we can minimize, or we can adopt some viruses or bacteria in the institution itself. I think that's it.
Thank you, Jay.
Welcome.
After I interview some CCAsian student, it's already time, and I realized that it's very important for us as CCAsian student to wear masks, because a lot of students we face and we don't know what kind of virus they can provide or we can get from them. And it's very important for us to wash also our hand to prevent viruses. While waiting our professor, I'm just cleaning my face because I'm very sweat. So for information, the growth of bacteria in tissues of clothing is due to the creation of the apocrine sweat glands and product containing the skin desquamation, existing natural particles in the fibers of the tissues and sometimes the fibers themselves.
Goodbye. Thank you, ma'am.
Practice, Kenneth!
So our class is done. How's your day?
It's okay.
It's okay. How's your day?
It's good, but then... Good. Hi.
How's your day?
Good.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So after my class, I directly go home because my ate texts me that we're going to the Visoria to buy food. So in this moment, we are riding a tricycle to go in the Visoria. It's very fun because we're very close with my ate and she is very supportive to me. In this moment, we're laughing because the camera is very shaky. And finally, we are here in the Visoria or in the market to buy a food. So after we buy vegetable and plants, so I directly go home, and as you can see, I prepare this what we buy. So I remove the trunk and the leaves and I separate them, and also the other vegetables. And after separating them and preparing, I directly wash these vegetables and plus, because if they don't wash those food, sometimes raw fruit and vegetable contain harmful germs that can make you and your family sick, such as salmonella, E. coli, and listeria. The safest produce to eat is to cook, and safest is to wash.